Hello everybody, my name is Brian Blanton. I'm the art teacher here at Fairfield Union High School. I teach Introduction to Art, Art 2, Art 3, Digital Imaging, and also I'm the yearbook director. A little bit about myself. I attended the University of Akron for my undergraduate degree and Wright State University for my master's degree. A little bit about the courses this year. Most of them revolve around making art, learning about art history, art criticism, art material use, and then various other aspects of making and perceiving and knowing the visual arts. The best way to get a hold of me throughout the year is going to probably be email. I check my email daily during school hours, so that is usually the most efficient way to get a hold of me. You can also try to telephone the school. Virtual meetings can be set up on an as-needed basis, or any other sort of support like that can be on an as-needed basis. The other big hub to all of our courses this year are going to be Google Classroom. We are going to post assignments there. We are going to have information about grading, due dates, supplemental materials, videos, all different types of information are going to flow through Google Classroom. And that is whether we are in-person learning or virtual learning. Google Classroom is really something that is going to want to be checked daily by the students, because that is where you're going to get a lot of the information coming from me. The other new thing this year is our Virtual Learning Academy. If you are doing the 100% online option, then you will need to use that program, Google Classroom and the VLA program together. And if you are in the traditional role this year, you will also need to use the VLA platform as part of our regular instruction too. We are going to incorporate the Virtual Learning Academy aspects into our normal daily operations here at the high school. The art room is going to look and be a little bit different this year. So if you are a returning student and you took Art 1 or Art 2 or digital, things are going to look a little different and they're going to operate a little different in here. And we're going to just have to adjust and be flexible as the year progresses to make sure that we are being as effective and as safe as we can. I'm really looking forward to a great year with everybody. I'm excited to see everybody back and hear about how things have been going while you've been off. So if I can be of any help to you, please let me know. Other than that, more course information should be coming out as we start school next week. So really looking forward to seeing everybody. Thanks. Go Falcons.